Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add an availability in Homebase. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.joinhomebase.com and log in to your Homebase account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, you're gonna set your focus on the left panel and you're gonna click on Schedule. On the options after clicking here, you will click on your availability right here. From this screen, you should see all the 7 days in a week from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So how can you add an availability on this screen? First, let's say I'm gonna add an availability on Monday. So click right here as you can see. Now, you can either choose whether to say that you're available or unavailable right here. But if you're gonna put in your available, simply click here and then you can specify on what time will you be available and at the end time, or if you're available for the entire day, simply click on all day right here. And then you can choose on where locations will that apply on, which is the channels on your Homebase account. And after setting all that up, click on Add. And you should see, as shown here, I am available from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Mondays. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!